In this video, we are going to check out the best car gadgets ever made. Make sure you watch the entire video, because these gadgets are going to make your driving experience as smooth and as cool as it can be. Let's dive in. Number 10. ThisWorx Car Vacuum Cleaner. No matter how diligently you work to keep your car spotless, chaos always seems to find its way onto the seats and floors. Things have a way of sneaking inside your car and getting it dirty. The mess is unsightly, and visits to a car cleaner or detailer can be costly. So what can be done to fix this annoying issue? The best solution is a specialized vehicle vacuum. You can quickly and simply get rid of hair, sand, crumbs, and other debris with ThisWorx Car Vacuum. It is made to be small, light, and very simple to operate. It features a HEPA filter and weighs 2.4 pounds. The vacuum has powerful suction thanks to a 106-watt motor. A sturdy cover on the ThisWorx Car Vacuum prevents trash from falling out. In addition, it includes a tote bag, a filter brush, and 3 detailing attachments. The 16-foot cord makes it simple to clean the front, back, and trunk of the car. With the ThisWorx Auto Vacuum, you can quickly clean the mess up. Gone are the days to be annoyed by the mess in your car. Number 9. Amazon Echo Auto. If Alexa has established itself as a permanent fixture in your home, you might be happy to discover that you can now take the virtual assistant on the road. You can make your typical commands while on the go by simply connecting Echo Auto to the Alexa app on your phone and your car speakers via an auxiliary input jack or Bluetooth. Whether you want to request a song, stream an audiobook, make reminders, or check gas prices, you can do so thanks to the 8 microphones and far-field technology, which are built to hear you over music, air conditioning, and normal road noise. You can always push the microphone off button to disconnect the voice activation electronically in order to protect your privacy. Just be sure that your vehicle is suitable first, as not all are. Number 8. Rove R2 4K Dashcam. Roads can be difficult. Using a dashcam will give you an extra set of eyes on the road. Your vehicle will benefit from the Rove R2 Dashcam, which will provide you peace of mind while you're driving. This dash camera can capture images with a resolution of up to 2,160 pixels. It offers excellent clarity and quality, enabling you to see clearly what happens on the road. It boasts advanced night vision technology that is intended to provide you with crystal clear video and photos even in low light conditions. The Rove dash camera features a parking mode, motion detection, loop cycle recording, emergency video log, slow motion video, and time-lapse video. Thanks to these capabilities, you can keep a detailed record of happenings in any condition on the road. The Rove app, which the camera is compatible with, enables you to access your dash camera footage directly from your device. You can also share recordings with your loved ones and on social media. Also, a GPS that is integrated into the device logs your driving location and speed. By using the app, you can see your driving route and tracker on Google Maps. Number 7. Ticarve Car Cleaning Putty. The auto-cleaning putty is intended to penetrate into challenging areas where dust can collect in your car. The manufacturer says that it can remove 97% of dirt and crumbs from tight spaces. Simply roll the cleaning gel into a ball and gently press it into the vents of your car and other hard-to-reach crevices. When you remove it, the dirt should come along with it. It is made from a high-tech cleaning gel composition that is non-sticky, skin-friendly, and scented with lavender. The gel is reusable up until the point where it starts to darken in color. Number 6. WixGear Car Tablet Holder. Driving when accompanied by children might be an exciting experience, but it can be difficult to pay attention to the road and the requirements of young passengers at the same time. It can be simpler for the driver and the bored children to ride if there is amusement in the back seat. The WixGear Car Tablet Holder lets you mount a tablet to your car's headset and provides everyone with a more enjoyable car experience. The headrest of your car can easily accommodate this tablet holder. It only requires a slight push to secure it to the headrest post. No tools are needed. It can spin 360 degrees and support up to 40 pounds. The tablet won't shake during the trip thanks to the holder's stability and security. Kids can act out when left alone in a car, whether it be for extended road trips or just short excursions to the store. With the WixGear Automobile Tablet Holder, you can give kids something to do and get them enthused about car travel. Number 5. CHGeek Wireless Car Charger. Even though it's never a good idea to use your phone while driving, there are many safe uses for phones that we may make while we're on the road. Navigation, charging, and listening to music are some of the most popular ways of utilizing phones in the car. These tasks are now considerably simpler and more practical thanks to the CHGeek wireless vehicle charger. The gadget functions as both a phone holder and a wireless charger. Several devices, including Apple and Samsung smartphones, are supported. The charger automatically clamps once it recognizes your phone. Its design enables you to quickly charge your phone without interfering with your drive. The arms of the charger will open, and your phone will be released if you lightly press the two buttons on its side. The phone charger will shut off on its own after your phone is fully charged. You can keep your phone fixed on the dashboard thanks to the phone holder feature. It won't fall between the seats, and you won't have to worry about finding it. Also, it enables it to be in a convenient location for use as a navigational aid. Simply put, the CHGeek wireless vehicle charger will improve your driving experience and help you avoid having to deal with charging cables while driving, and that's why it's one of our favorite car gadgets. Number 4. Kwak's Car Air Freshener. Driving may be a terrific way to relax, especially when music is playing loudly over the speakers. The only thing that can make this experience even better is having the car smell great. The Kwak's Car Air Freshener is an aesthetic way to enhance your driving experience and make your car smell fantastic. The Kwak's Car Air Freshener comes in two colors, black and red. The device is solar-powered and has two rings and a crystal ball that rotates. To install, just unscrew the cover, place the provided scent pad inside, and then rescrew. After the aroma wears off, you can either buy additional Kwak perfume pad refills or buy unscented perfume pads and use your preferred essential oil instead. The air freshener is not only attractive to look at, but also leaves your car smelling like paradise. Number 3. Eastmount Smart Temp Control Travel Mug. A hot cup of coffee may really keep you going on a long commute. Yet, you might lose patience if that coffee goes cold. The Eastmount Smart Temp Control Travel Mug fills that need. With this self-warming coffee cup, you can keep your coffee hot all the time while you're on the go. This travel mug may be adjusted to the ideal temperature for you, from 86 degrees Fahrenheit to 194 degrees Fahrenheit. It is extremely safe because it is constructed of the same material as advanced baby bottles. It utilizes medical-grade 304 stainless steel and can carry 13 ounces of liquid. When the liquid is heated, the coffee will have a red indicator and a blue indicator when it is done heating. It does not make any noise during heating and won't interfere with your commute. The mug has to be hand-washed and given enough time to dry thoroughly before using it again. A hot beverage may really brighten your day when you're commuting in the morning, so get yourself this self-warming coffee cup. Number 2. Govee Car LED Lights. With vibrant lights that coordinate with upbeat music, you can turn your next road trip into a real party. The Govee Vehicle LED lights will make you feel like a DJ with pulsing, colorful lights, and music that matches the visual show. In addition to a DIY mode, the Govee Home app offers 16 million different color options. The lights include an integrated microphone that enables them to synchronize with your music. The 4 strip lights are connected by a 2-line design that conceals wires and gives the installation a neat appearance. Enjoying the lights is simple, and installing them is equally simpler. All you have to do is use the accompanying adhesive and support clips to mount the LED lights on your car. Outside the lights, there's a rubber tubing that is intended to shield them from any unintentional liquid spills. Number 1. QQCherry Heated Car Steering Wheel Cover. It might be painful to get into a cold car during the chilly winter months. It's hard to remain bundled up in coats and gloves in a car due to the constrained nature of seatbelts. If turning up the heat doesn't keep you as warm as you'd like, now you can keep your hands nice and toasty with the QQCherry Heated Car Steering Wheel Cover. It only takes 3 minutes for this heated steering wheel cover to reach 110 degrees Fahrenheit. It is comprised of a soft, non-slip material that will last you through many winters. To stop your hands from perspiring, the cover contains openings in the fabric that let air pass through. The item is compatible with the majority of steering wheels, especially those with a 14.5 to 15.5 inch diameter. This winter, don't allow your hands to freeze. The QQCherry heated car seat will keep them nice and warm while you drive. That's it for today. Let us know in the comments your favorite car gadget from this list and why. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. we recommend our video on the best gadgets you can buy on Amazon next. See you there!